Today is April 28th. It's a little after 6 o'clock. Hanging out over here with little Elli Bean. So today she crossed over into the 4-pound mark. So she is now 4 pounds, 2.5 ounces. So she just keeps on gaining weight. So that makes two of us, huh? She does have a little bit of redness in her right eye, which right here is the eye that's facing more up than the one that she's laying down on. They've been kind of commenting on it the last couple of days, but today it is a little bit more red and a little bit more puffier. So they just cultured it and sent it off to the lab. So we'll know some more about it in the next day or so. And she's got a little bit of discharge coming out of that eye too. So that's what they cultured and sent down. They increased her feeds today. She was on 36 milliliters of feed. Now she is on 38 milliliters of feed. So the more weight that she continues to gain, the more feed she'll continue to get. We asked about the caffeine again. They said it's something that they're still discussing, but not something they're currently doing at this point. And again, that was for some to help her with neurological development. But she is also almost 34 weeks, and that 34 to 35 week, or 35 to 36 week, is typically when they would do something like that, and she's not far away from being that age. So it's just something they're discussing at this point. But overall, she's doing good. She's been doing good with her feeds, and it's a good sign that they're able to continue to increase her feeds. So we both got to hold her today, and she just decided she was going to open her eyes with this next feeding. So she's taking the pacifier. They just started her next feed, and she is awake and alert, which is all good signs, because whenever she does move to the bottle feeding, she'll need to be awake and alert for that. So that's just kind of like another sign that she's working her way towards that. And then they're going to continue to try to give her this pacifier, because that's another cue that she's ready to take a bottle. So that's something that we'll look for probably over just the next week or so, but one day at a time, huh, sweetie pie? So yep, just looking around, hanging out. Alrighty, we'll see y'all tomorrow.